If you're like me and you got a GoPro or a DJI or something like that, and you got a helmet just like this is my motorcycle helmet. And what I want to do some filming with this, and I don't like the camera on top of the head, so I got me one of these chin straps here. And let me just go over everything I got in it right here. Here's the package it came in. It came with the chin strap right here. It has a nice kind of grippy texture on this rubberized piece right here. Very nicely done like that. It has an extension mount that goes on there. You can use that extension mount, but I'm just going to use the regular mount like that, and it gives you 2 thumb screws. There's everything you get with it. Let me show you how it mounts on the helmet. So what you're going to do, you just pretty much just slide this through like that, pull that down, and then it grips on itself and it locks into place. And check that out, it will not come off. So let's go ahead, let's put it on the helmet now. So you're just going to line it up where you want it. I'm going to try to get it about right there. And then bring this one over here. It's a little kind of wonky to work with when you first kind of do it, but what I like is if it's hard to put on, it's probably not going to come off easy either. We don't want our GoPro to go flying. And there you go. It is locked into place, everybody. Doesn't that look nice? Look how that locked on there. That's locked on there great. And then you just put the GoPro, goes on here just like this. This is kind of like squished together right there. So let me just kind of spread these open just a little bit. There we go. Perfect. And you can run this with a 360 camera also. That's why they give you the shorter screw on there. Check that out. That's locked into place. I can tighten it up. I can move it around. The straps, I could probably tuck these straps in a little bit, but everybody look at that. So see how that mounts on there? You can still use the visor. It locks into place. It goes down. It lifts up. So I'm not really worried so much about that. And then if you want to remove it, you just pop these little things off right here. You just pull up on these and that'll come off with no problem. What I like about having a chin strap like this, it films in whatever direction you're looking in. So I'm looking to the left or right, it's going to be filming that way. And I don't like things on top of the head. Like I said, especially with a motorcycle when the speed is, sometimes it folds over. But with this, it'll lock into place and you tighten it down and it's not going anywhere, everybody. That's a good location for it too. You just got to remember when you tuck down to lift it up, and then if you need to, you can put this extension out on it so that way you can get it even more, because when you're in a tuck position, you're down low. So you need to remember to have your camera there. If not, you're going to be looking at your just your handlebars the entire time. Yeah, this is something I recommend for anyone that just needs a good little helmet mount for pretty much motocross, motorcycles, scooters, anything that you're using one of these helmets on. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, little small chin mounting strap. See you on the next video.